Do it again. Go. Ah. Get her to do it again. She was doing it so long before.